In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create footers with Elementor Page Builder from scratch. We'll start right inside your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side in the main menu, look for the Elementor option. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, choose the editor. This will open the Elementor dashboard within WordPress. Once you're inside the Elementor dashboard, look again at the left-hand panel. Here, find and click on Theme Builder. This takes you to Elementor's Theme Builder page. On this page, you'll see different template types listed as tabs. Look for the tab labeled Footer and click it. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Add New. Click that, and a new footer template will open directly in the Elementor editor. When the editor page loads, Elementor might show a pop-up suggesting templates or tips. You don't need that for now, so just close or exit the pop-up to get a clear view of your workspace. Now you're inside the editor, looking at a blank area that says Add Widget here. At the top of this main canvas area, you'll see some icons. Click the plus icon to start building the layout for your footer. Choose the Flexbox container option, then pick a structure you like. For this walkthrough, we'll use a direction row layout, which places elements side by side horizontally. Once you've selected your structure, its settings will appear in the left panel with three main tabs: Layout, Style, and Advanced. You can switch between these to adjust how your container behaves, how it looks, and any extra spacing or responsive options. Next, let's add widgets to your footer. Inside your new container, click the plus icon. This will open the widget panel on the left. From here, you can choose what you want to display in your footer. Common choices include your site title, a heading or text editor for additional information, a navigation menu, social icons, a button, your site logo, a shortcode, or an HTML widget. Just drag any widget from the left panel and drop it into your container. To customize a widget, click on it in the preview area, and its settings will appear on the left with Content, Style, and Advanced tabs. Adjust these until it looks and behaves the way you want. If you want to return to the complete list of widgets at any time, look at the very top left of the editor's top bar. Click the small grid or plus icon there, and the full widget panel will appear again so you can keep adding and editing more elements. You can also easily rearrange widgets inside your footer. Just click and drag a widget in the preview area and move it around within the container. When you see the colored indicator line, drop it there to reposition the widget. To remove a widget, hover over it in the preview until you see a small pencil icon. Hover over that pencil and an X icon will appear. Click the X to delete the widget from your layout. When you're happy with your footer design and everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Update or Publish button. This saves your work and activates your new footer across the parts of your site that use it.